Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable camera shortcuts on your iPhone Air lock screen. First of all, hold your finger down on your lock screen page, select Customize, and then to remove the camera icon from your lock screen you have to tap the minus icon in the top left corner of your camera icon. Now just tap down, or if you want to, you can tap plus icon right here and add a substitute icon instead of your camera. Once you're ready, tap done, and right now there is no camera icon on your lock screen. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.